In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add left click button in Bluestacks. If you play action, strategy, or RPG titles on Bluestacks, you already know the left mouse button is your go-to for attacking, selecting, tapping, or interacting. But sometimes you need that left click to trigger a very specific on-screen action every time. That's where custom key mapping comes in, and it's quick to set up. Start by opening the key mapping tool, also called game controls. Look along the right sidebar of Bluestacks for the keyboard icon and click it. If you prefer shortcuts, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus A to open the same panel. This tool is where you create or edit control presets for each game, so make sure your game window is active so you can place controls exactly where you need them. Next, switch to Advanced Controls. Here you'll see a variety of control types designed for different kinds of gameplay. Choose Tap Spot. This creates a virtual tap, which is perfect for buttons like Attack, Interact, Confirm Arm, or Skills. Click and drag the tap spot onto the precise on-screen button you want to trigger. Take a second to position it carefully. Place it right over the graphic for that in-game button. If your UI is crowded, you can momentarily adjust your view or move the panel so nothing blocks your sightline while placing it. Accuracy here ensures reliable clicks later. With the tap spot in place, click it to open its settings panel. This is where you assign what will trigger that tap. Set the key to left mouse button. You're telling Bluestacks, when I press left click, fire a tap exactly at this spot. Before leaving, click Save. Saving locks in the control so it's available the moment you return to the game. If you forget to save, your changes won't stick and you'll have to place the control again. At this point, your left click will trigger the action you map to that tap spot. If you want to fine-tune or remove it later, just reopen the key mapping tool, select the tap spot, and edit or delete it. You can also create different profiles per game and switch between them from the same panel, which is useful if one title needs a dedicated left click tap and another doesn't. That's all there is to it. With a properly placed tap spot and the left mouse button assigned, you'll get consistent, reliable taps exactly where you want them, helping you interact faster and more precisely in your favorite games.